Hi, it's Nicole from My Christmas. Today we wanted to show you how the different size balls look on the tree. There are a lot of people coming into our store and looking at these 15 centimetre baubles, or 6-inch in the old terms. I think there's no way they can go on the tree. We want to show you how they work with each of the sizes to create a uniform look at the base of your tree. So we're going to start with this big size. You can edit. Now, rather than sort of sitting them on the outside of the tree, what you want to do with these is actually fit them into the tree a bit. This tree I'm working with is a 1.98 metre or 6.5 foot tree. So you can see that even with that size tree, that doesn't look too big once you set it into the foliage. And you tend to use these baubles in a bit of a diamond pattern through the tree to create that base that I was speaking of. Recessing them into the tree. I'm just going to hang that one down there. So you can see to start with, we've got 4 baubles in a diamond shape. If you wanted to keep going, you could keep going with another 2 up here. But the other option is then to start going to your next size bauble. So for the top part of the tree, rather than using the 15 centimetre bauble, I'm dropping down to the 12.5 centimetre. Again, I'm recessing them into the tree and continuing with my diamond pattern. You can go quite high to the top of the tree with this and just pushing it in there. Obviously, if your tree is visible all the way around, you would continue this through the front and the back of the tree. So now we've got our green as a base. Now if we wanted to do a second colour, we can do exactly the same thing, but we're going to work a second size bauble in between our diamond. So that means I'm going to work it down here. And you can see that you can easily get that bigger size bauble into your tree. Now to continue, we can work more of the 12 centimetre balls throughout, again filling spaces between. And these ones can be, if it's a bigger tree, they could be on the outside more as a decoration. If it's a smaller tree, you might set them in more. And then the 10 or the smaller 7 centimetre balls become your decorations on the outside of the tree. Okay, so what we've done is we've filled out the rest of the tree using the 15 centimetre baubles up to about the 2/3 mark on the tree, and then the 12 centimetre. And you can see we have a diamond pattern with our green and a diamond pattern with our red. Then to fill further, you just scatter your 10 centimetre ball, or 4 inch in the old measure, throughout the tree, and these are the ones that sit on the outside of the tree. We also have the 7 centimetre size bauble, which is exactly the same. So all you're going to do with these is hang these around your tree. And that's it. So you've got your 15 centimetre, your 12, your 10 and your 7 all on the tree, and these 2 are perfect to give you the base colours. Thanks for watching.